My people, it's about that time.
Like a boss. Huh.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today, Bitcoin has hit them over the head for 16,000 of them things. I'm going to be doing a live technical analysis on BTC to the USD. So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result, and today is no exception. So this is what I'm doing, y'all. I'm giving out some free BTC every time I do a live video, live price analysis like this. I'm going to post a video in the Facebook group, #1 Bitcoin group in the world, and all you need to do is share that post if you want to win. The winner will be announced in tomorrow's video. So bam! It's just that easy to get paid. Jump on over to the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. #1Bitcoin. 20,000 members, long and strong, growing every day. And look for the post that will be shared on this video right here. It's going to say this: share this post to win free Bitcoin. Hit that share button. Jump on over to tomorrow's video, and you might have some free BTC as a compliment of BK. So there you go, everybody. Let's go ahead and make this money. If you haven't done it already, hit that like and subscribe button. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is BTC to the USD on a 33-minute chart. Real quick, this is a custom design methodology that I use for trading Bitcoin. It works quite well, and it is 100% completely free. If you need to learn how to trade Bitcoin, just type in "how to chart like a boss" into Google and watch that playlist, and you will be well on your way to making money. I use 3 simple moving averages. Everything is explained in that playlist, and you can also learn more by signing up for the email campaign on bossofbitcoin.com. So without further ado, this is what Bitcoin is doing right now. We have had a very, very, very systemic and systematic, as I call, staircase pattern, where it hits one level, it goes flat, it hits one level, it goes flat, it hits one level, it goes flat, and it keeps bouncing all the while to the upside, right? When you have a pattern like this, it's very easy to figure out where the different levels in Bitcoin are using a Fibonacci. That is how you freestyle on a Fibonacci right there, ladies and gentlemen. Also explained in the chart like a boss sequence, available on bossofbitcoin.com, right? We start here. This is our little genesis point, right? This is where all of the energy started at in this cycle. And when we tie it into this point right here, right? Breakout, breakdown, flatline, it gives us these different critical levels. I think that's a very, very, very important price right there. That's at 12.9. And then we have another strike price, which we just cleared right up there at 15.2, right? So as long as both those thresholds are reached, you know, we are indeed ascending above the price action, you know, between 12.9 and 15.2. Let's do this. That's on a 33. This is a 77. We'll do one more. So basically, as long as we're above 15.2, Bitcoin is indeed going to continue to climb higher, right? Another thing we could do is take account for this negative candle action, and that would be looking at it right here. Now, something I want you to notice right away is this line right here. This is called resonance. When you have two completely unrelated, seemingly unrelated Fibonacci levels that both confirm the same price. Again, 15.2 is a very critical price for Bitcoin. As long as we are above 15.2, we have more energy to reach 16.2, 16.8, as opposed to 14.2, right? So that's a very, very, very important price. And this was done by recalculating the negative energy right there. You see that? You can do it both ways. You can go forwards, you can go backwards. It's all going to relate to the same harmonic source of resonance within this chart, right? So 15.2 is a very important price. How high can Bitcoin go? Well, given this cycle right here, we're looking between 16.8 and 17.2, right? Now, something to note on this cycle. This is indeed what I call an inverse correlation to the Bitcoin dominance inverse correlation. Let's just call it that. When you look at the price for BTC, and this is the last 7 days, this is available on Coinmarketcap/charts. You can go back and look at the last 7 days of Bitcoin. Something I want you guys to note. Let me see if I can pull up. Where's my little drawing tool on this thing? Let me see if this works. Yeah, look at that, boy. Yeah. Something you want to look at, take note of. This is going back to Sunday the 7th when Bitcoin's market cap went down to 430 billion, right? Right now it's at close to 450 billion, but just that price action alone, I think tells you a lot with regards to the correlation between the altcoins and Bitcoin, right? Let's jump right back in here. So this chart basically shows you that price. Let's make this thing like yellow, and we can take this off right here to this price, right? And where is our dominance chart? Let's jump on that real quick. This is what I wanted. 7-day dominance. It's not as nearly as dramatic. Where's Sunday? Bitcoin dominance was 64% on that Sunday. And now it's 65%. So that's 1.5% that Bitcoin gained over the entire market, right? And that indeed is what this last run has been attributed for. So basically for every percent dominance, at least on this scale, that Bitcoin gains in the market, every market percent dominance, it gains 10% in dollars, which is crazy. I didn't even think about that before, right? And that's one of the things you definitely want to keep note on. When we talk about alt season and, when the alts will really run again, I think this can't be forgotten about. When the alts did run, right? And this was a beautiful time. The spring of 2017. I remember it like it was yesterday, right? Spring of 2017 was an amazing time. But look at that Bitcoin dominance. You see that? This thing was just down, right? And as it's ascended, right, the alts have basically gone down. Like Bitcoin is in this nice little ascension channel. And the alts have been adversely affected. The same thing that happens right here. This is the last 7 days. And you can just basically see the market dominance went up, as we mentioned, 1%. Bitcoin's price went up about 10%. And guess what happened to the altcoins during that exact same time? They went down, correspondingly. And so this is one of the things I teach in the different communities that we have is that you always have to pay attention to the pairs. There's 3 major trading pairs on cryptocurrency, on the blockchain. There's Wall Street to Bitcoin. There's there's global markets altogether, just the mix of global money, like all the money in the world in the global markets. You got that bucket, and then inside that bucket, you got Bitcoin, right? BTC to the USD, because money from the global markets essentially comes into that smaller bucket inside of it called Bitcoin. And then in that bucket, you got the altcoins, right? Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, whatever, Monero, you name it, they got it. 3,848 of them right now on the market, available for you at any given time, 24 hours a day, forever, right? And so you go from global markets to Bitcoin, you go from Bitcoin to the altcoins, and then when you hit those altcoins, that's when you make some real deal money. That's when you go 30x in a year, right? But you literally have to wait until the money literally trickles down into those different boxes, and then you bet the house on using the boss method, right? And so as you can see right now, just look on this. It's not a lot of, underdogs winning that race. When we play Litecoin, when we play Ripple, we want that number to be green versus Bitcoin. That means we are making money hand over fist. If you don't believe me, just go back to 2017, when this market was red hot. You couldn't beat it. This is, let's jump on LTC on Kraken, because Kraken was around back then. Binance wasn't around in 2017, so it's like you can't even use that chart because Binance wasn't even liquid back then. Here we go. Look at that. 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 Bam, 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 bam. Boom. You know what I'm saying? And again, that is all attributed to this chart right here. Going Bitcoin dominance going down considerably from 80% to 40%. Bitcoin literally cut in half during that time, right? From 80% down to 40%. And the altcoins took off like it was nobody's business, right? And now you have a situation where Bitcoin has consistently gone back up and the altcoins as a result have gone back down, right? That's one of the things I teach in our crypto trading communities, available for you at bossofbitcoin.com. If you are just getting started, there are two premium groups. One of them is the profit package. This is $50 for the first month, $75 after that. And it's a list of top 7 swing coins to trade every 7 days. Basically, where is the money going and where is it flowing inside the market? Right? I just told you Litecoin wasn't one of them, right? And in these type of situations where everything's red, I automatically upgrade that group to the VIP trading group, the exclusive trading video. So these guys get a detailed technical analysis every other day on what's happening in the market, stop losses, limit sales, swing trades, slingshots, whatever I could do to help these guys make money. That's what I do. So the profit package is receiving the same content as the Boss Alert messages right now, mainly because Bitcoin is down, the altcoins are down, and it's not much money to be made swing trading in the market. So it's a complimentary service that I do for those guys just to keep them up to date on the latest insights, tips, and tricks on the crypto trading market, right? In addition to that, we do have a free Telegram channel at BKBitcoin01 or t.me/BKBitcoin01. The link is in the description. We got about 600-700 people in that group right now. If you want to get started, come on in. The doors are always open. And LBRY, the boy got the #1 handle on that there thing at Bitcoin. I got about, I think, 3,000 or 4,000 followers on Library. This will be uploaded to Library as well. So if you see it on LBRY, shout out to you. Retweet it, resteam it, hashtag it, share it with your community, anywhere you see this content. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. If you want to, again, join our free communities, all the links are in the descriptions for you. And as we keep this thing on wheels and keep on rolling, Bitcoin more than likely will be doing the same thing in the immediate future. I see some initial resistance between 16.4 and 17.2 with some terminal support right around 15.8, right? So as long as we're above 15.8 to 15.2, actually, I'm sorry, 15.2. As long as we're above 15.2, Bitcoin has more net positive energy than it does negative energy. And that price is this one right here. 15,270. That's the price you want to see Bitcoin stay above if you want to see it keep going higher before it goes lower. So if you appreciate this content, I appreciate you. Again, if you want to win some free BTC, it's available in the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, or California, all the way back out through Jerk Money. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that like button. Subscribe right now. Join the money team. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss. Huh.